Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to show you how you're going to set up your presentation for your research. So I've set up these slides, and on the first slide, you're going to type your topic. So if I researched vampire bats, I will type vampire bats. I'll delete this, and then I will type in vampire bats. Then I'll put my name right here, delete that part and put your name. Then I'm going to go through my paragraph that we have already drafted. So the first page, I'm going to type my topic sentence. So I'll delete this, and then I'll go in and I'll type my topic sentence with a capital letter and a period. I'm not going to do anything at the bottom down here just yet. I'm going to come back to that. So slide number 3, you'll type detail number 1 and your explanation. So on slide number 3 up here, you're going to delete the directions and type 2 sentences, detail number 1 and the explanation that goes with it. Slide number 4, you're going to do detail number 2 and the explanation that goes with it. You're still not doing anything down here at the bottom. Slide number 5, you'll do detail number 3 and the explanation that goes with it. Make sure that you put capital letters and periods. And then number 6, you're going to delete these instructions and type your conclusion sentence at the top. Now, I still haven't done anything at the bottom. Then, yesterday I taught you how to customize your presentation. So you can change the colors, you can change the theme by going up here to whatever you want it to be. Then, we were not going to spend a lot of time on that because on each slide, you're going to try to find a picture that will go with your sentence. So I gave the example of vampire bats. So how I'm going to do that, I've got my topic sentence up here, whatever I chose for my topic sentence. Down here, I'm going to add an image. So I'm going to go up here to this part right here. You can see that it says image, and I'm going to click down, and I'm going to click on search the web because I want to search for an image of a vampire bat. So I'm just going to type in vampire bat, click enter, and I've got all these choices that I can choose from. So I'm just going to choose this one. If I had more time, I would look and figure out one that went perfectly, but I'm just going to choose this one for now just to show you how to do it. So I click on it, double click, there's my picture. But I don't want my photograph to cover up my sentence, so I've got to make sure I can click up here and get these 2 little arrows, and I can drag it down and resize it. So now you can see my sentence again because I don't want to cover up my sentence. So you can just manipulate it using those 2 arrows. I can drag it in to make it smaller. I can drag it up. I can drag it down, but just so that I can still see what I typed up here. Okay, then you'll do the same thing. Let's say that your detail number 1 in explanation is about a vampire bat's diet. So then I want an image on this slide. I'm going to search the web. I might want to search for what vampire bats eat. Okay, so I'm going to search, and it's actually showing me some pictures, some of them of vampire bats eating. It didn't give me any pictures of their prey, so I'm going to search again because that's really what I wanted, vampire bats prey. So you're going to have to try. It's not going to just come up automatically. You may have to type in more than one thing. Okay, let's see if I get anything. I'm not seeing anything. So maybe if I find an image of just how they eat, or maybe a diagram or something like that, whatever fits underneath my sentence, then I'll choose that picture and I'll insert it the same way. You need to make sure that you get an actual picture. Like I think I saw a fruit bat on one of these. Make sure that you don't get a picture of a fruit bat. Okay, so then I'll just move on and I'll go to detail number 2. Let's pretend like my detail number 2 is about where vampire bats live. Okay, so I'm going to type in vampire bat location over here. And if you know where they live, okay, so like this map shows me where they live. So I might double click on this and add that map in. So that's giving my readers a good text feature that shows where they live. I'm going to actually delete this because I'm not keeping this in here. But that's how you will add images, and the images should go with whatever your sentences say. So I don't want to add this picture if my topic sentence is not just about vampire bats in general. I want to make my picture match whatever my sentences say. So if you want to delete a picture, by the way, I'm right clicking. I'm clicking with 2 fingers, and I'm going up and I'm clicking cut if I put in the wrong picture. All right, so that's what you're going to do to make your slides presentation. This will be due next week, so don't turn it in today.